must have been asleep for a day and moving lips to breathe her name. I opened up my eyes and found myself alone above a raging sea. And stole the only girl I loved and drowned her deep inside of me. You, lost and lonely. You, soft and lonely. You, just like